Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to password protect your Google form. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page, where in the upper right corner we can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. This is going to be our main page where we can go and take a look. We can get started creating a new form if we want. If we want, we can access all the forms we have already created right here and so on. And now let's go and take a look at how to password protect the form. First thing, if you do not already have a form, you can go and create it by clicking the plus button right here. That's going to enable you to create an entitled form. As you can see right here, I'm going to open up my form right here that I have already created. As you can see, tutorial form for a video where I have a question, some answers, and so on. So now guys, basically what can we do? As you can see in the settings tab right here, we do not have the option to password protect our Google form because Google has not implemented this option. So what we have to do is get creative. You're going to have to put your password as a question. Make sure the first question is somebody only that you want to give the answer to, know something like what is the password or whatever you want to ask, and then put the answer right here as a short answer. Then what we can select is this is required. You want to turn it on to be required, and then click the three dots right here, and you want to go ahead and select the go to section based on answer and description option. So if it's required guys, it's going to enable us to go ahead and make sure that people will need to go ahead and input it right here. So once they have filled out something, if the password is correct, they'll be able to fill it out as they like, but basically they do not have any other option regarding this except this one, because Google does not add the option for password protecting for your form. So what you can do is just ask it as a question so you know who has the password, who doesn't. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.